Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Roan. Today we are going to discuss the midpoint of a segment in a number line. So if you're ready, get your pen and your paper and let's go. So let's review the number line. So a number line is a graphical representation of a straight line, usually graduated like a ruler with a particular origin point representing the number 0, and evenly spaced marks in either direction representing integers imagined to extend infinitely. This is a number line. So notice that you have 0, and then to the right of 0 are positive numbers and to the left are negative numbers. Now, let's review the midpoints of segments. When we say midpoints, this is the exact center between 2 points on the number line. It divides the segment into two equal parts. Okay, so those points are called the endpoints. So formula of the midpoint is m, which is the midpoint, equals x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2, where x sub 1 and x sub 2 are the coordinates of the two endpoints. So let's have some example. So let's have example number 1. Find the midpoint of AC. So we have here the number line, and this is the segment AC. The coordinate of A is -2 and the coordinate of C is 3. So, given x sub 1 equals -2, x sub 2 equals 3. So, the formula for the midpoint is we add these coordinates, okay, divided by 2. So, that is -2 plus 3 over 2 equals 1/2. So, the midpoint is at 1/2. Let's have example number 2. Find the midpoint of xy. So what is the coefficient of x? 4. And how about y? 8. So we have the given. X sub 1 is 4 and x sub 2 is 8. Formula for the midpoint is we add the coefficients x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. So that would be 4 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So 6 is the midpoint. Okay, notice it is the midpoint. It is halfway between x and y. So let's have example 3. Find the midpoint of EF. Okay, the coefficient of E is -10 and the coefficient of F is 2. So we have x sub 1 equals -10 and x sub 2 equals 2. We use the formula. Add this coefficient divided by 2. So that would be -10 plus 2 divided by 2. So that is -8 over 2, which is -4. This ends our lesson about the midpoint of a segment in a number line. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up or comment down below and follow this channel. Again, this is Teacher Roan saying goodbye. Goodbye.